Karag, welcome back to my vlog. Hi Kalag!
Hello!
Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. Maaga ang chismisan galore mga karag-karag sa mundo ng beauty pageant na pinagchichismisan na mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa. Guys, matatalo ba ang ating upgraded na menopausal fashion distraction look sa mga latest chikahan ngayon na kung saan na vlog ko nga kahapon mga karag-karag yung trending na viral na post ni Maureen tungkol nga dito sa mga kandidatang hindi tinapos yung rain at sumabak ulit sa isang pageant. Oy Kalag, pag-hi po dire. Hi Kalag, sige na si Kalag mga karag-karag.
Hi!
Oh, yan si Kalag. Nya, gigamit na nako nya na. Balit lang. Isa man. So yan mga karag-karag, at dahil nga sa post na yun ni Maureen, marami ang naintriga, marami mga beauty pageant lovers sa social media ang nagtaasan ng kilay kung kanino pinatama o kung sino yung pinaringgan ni Maureen sa post na yun. Palihog ko sa music, ina sa Kalagbi. Oh. Dahil doon sa post na yun mga karag-karag, ngayong araw na to sa pagkachismosa ni Kuragan ayun bumungad sa budlat kong mata at sa budlot na kong singmod at sa lisngag na ko na ilong itong pa-official statement apology ni Maureen. Watch this.
Guys, I just wanted to apologize about a deleted post. Last night, I had a late night thought and posted it carelessly. My mistake. Apologies, everyone. But my message was really that every crown is special, and I want to see more purpose and passion coming from the girls. It wasn't directed towards anybody in particular. It was just a late night thought. Again, I apologize. It was not a vehicle meant to spread hate, aggression, bashing, smear campaigns. It's kind of evolved into something so hateful. So I hope moving into 2025 pageantry season, we can be kinder, myself included. You know, I'm not one who I'm familiar with pageant drama and I can say it really does affect the girls. So I will be moving on with more kindness, and I hope that we can all do the same. Love you guys. Also, just for clarification, I did complete my Miss Eco Philippines reign. I did a full year and then crowned my successor, Kelly Day, and after that I was free. Unfortunately, there was the pandemic and Miss Eco International didn't push through. It was rescheduled. So there were a lot of issues. And then the winner got pregnant. But back then, as a runner-up, we didn't have contracts. So I wasn't contractually obligated to accept the crown. And I knew it wasn't my destiny. I wanted a full reign. I wanted to experience, you know, everything that I worked for. And I felt like I didn't win that pageant. The crown wasn't mine. And I think in the end, the second runner-up, the third runner-up didn't accept the crown either. It was actually the fourth runner-up from Malaysia that accepted. But yeah, just to clarify, I did finish my reign. It was a beautiful, fun reign, and I'm friends with MWP and ALV now, so there's no more bad blood. Okay, hope that clears things up.
Yan na mga karag-karag, narinig na ninyo ang official apology statement ni Maureen. O, diba? Sabi nga nila, putak now, sorry later. So, siguro nakisabay lang daw si Maureen sa trending na puksa ang galore. At kung sabihin man daw wala siyang pinatamaan, pero bilang isang beauty queen at bilang nakauwi ka ng corona daw sa Pilipinas, dapat maging neutral ka sa mga post mo. Na kahit wala ka mang ibig sabihin sa mga post mo, syempre yung mga chismoso at mga intribida gaya ko, nako, mapaisip talaga sino tong tinutukoy niya sa post niya, di ba? So, yun, kaya next time dapat mag-ingat na rin siya para hindi siya lusubin bitaw ng mga supporters ng mga ibang kandidata, hindi siya putaktihin, di ba? Kahit sabihin natin nag-apology siya, pero ayun, nalamatan din yung ni Maureen na ay ganito pala siya ka-bitter din. O, ganon yung mga eksena. Pero apology accepted nga, di ba? So lahat naman tayo nagkamali. At dahil nga sa trending na Miss Universe Philippines 2025, nako, maraming makisakay din na mga ibang kaganapan na dapat nating abangan sa susunod nating mga chismisan. So, yan ang mga karag-karag, ano yung magiging reaction nyo sa public apology ni Maureen tungkol nga sa kanyang naging viral post tungkol sa mga kandidatang hindi tinapos yung reign, tapos sumabak ulit sa isang pageant. Sabi nga nila, guilty ka girl. And thank you for watching mga karag-karag. See you in my next vlog. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, Please don't forget to like and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest na mga chikahan, iskandalo at paintriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And unsa man imo is color blue nga ani makaon. Unsa pa? And bye bye.